How to add another Face ID to iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Over here, you can manage apps using Face ID and other iPhone access settings, set up alternative appearances and change your passcode. Scroll down and tap on Set up an alternate appearance as shown. Here, tap on Get Started. You can now follow the instructions to set up a new Face ID. Keep in mind that this feature is intended for the same person with a significantly different look, such as with sunglasses on, but it usually works even if it's an entirely different person. Following these steps, you can easily add another Face ID to iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.